Small space gardening hacks, DIY projects to maximize your greenery. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into gardening. Everyone can have a little green space, no matter the size of their home. So grab your gloves and let's get growing together. DIY self-watering container for effortless gardening. This self-watering container is a game changer. Imagine never having to worry about your plants drying out while you're away. With this simple DIY project, you can ensure your plants get the right amount of water they need effortlessly. Use a large plastic bottle, which is perfect for small plants and herbs, or an old 5-gallon bucket, ideal for larger plants and vegetables. Create 2 sections. The bottom holds water, acting as a reservoir, and the top is for your plant, where it can grow and thrive. Connect them with a cotton rope or wicking material. This allows the water to travel from the bottom to the top, keeping the soil consistently moist. Drill a small hole in the top container for the rope. This ensures the rope stays in place and functions effectively. Fill the top section with potting mix and plant your favorite flowers, herbs, or vegetables. Fill the bottom reservoir with water. This will gradually seep up through the wicking material, providing a steady supply of moisture. This system keeps your plants perfectly hydrated, ensuring they remain healthy and vibrant. Plus, it helps conserve water. By using this method, you reduce water waste and contribute to a more sustainable gardening practice. Happy gardening! DIY vertical garden. Grow more with less space. Vertical gardening maximizes space, making it perfect for urban environments or small backyards where every inch counts, and creates a beautiful display. Repurpose a wooden pallet. This is an eco-friendly way to recycle materials and give them a new life. Ensure the pallet is chemical-free. Look for stamps or markings that indicate it's safe for gardening. Use landscape fabric or burlap to create pockets within the slats. This will hold the soil and plants securely. Secure with a staple gun. Make sure the fabric is tight and well attached to prevent soil from spilling out. Fill pockets with potting soil. Use a high-quality mix to ensure your plants get the nutrients they need. Choose plants like herbs, strawberries, or leafy greens. These plants thrive in vertical gardens and are easy to maintain. Secure the pallet against a wall or fence. Make sure it's sturdy. This will prevent it from tipping over and ensure your plants stay safe. Enjoy your functional and beautiful vertical garden. Watch as it transforms your space into a green oasis. Add rustic charm to your outdoor space. A vertical garden not only saves space but also adds a unique aesthetic to your home. If you're short on floor space, this project is for you. Create a hanging gutter planter for herbs, greens, or flowers. Use old rain gutters. Measure and cut them to the desired length. Drill drainage holes along the bottom. Hang them with brackets, chains, or rope. Fill with potting soil and plants. Enjoy your charming and functional hanging garden. It's a real conversation starter. I love upcycling projects. They are not only fun and creative, but also a fantastic way to reduce waste and give new life to items that might otherwise end up in the landfill. Plus, they add a unique touch to your garden. Let's give everyday items a new life as planters. You'd be surprised at how many things around your home can be transformed into beautiful and functional planters. Old tin cans are perfect for small herbs or succulents. They are easy to find and can be decorated to match any garden theme. Clean them, punch drainage holes, and maybe add paint. A little bit of creativity can turn a simple tin can into a charming planter. Wooden crates are great for raised beds or strawberry planters. They provide ample space for roots to grow and can be easily moved around your garden. Stain, paint, or leave them natural. Each option gives a different aesthetic, allowing you to customize your garden to your liking. Hanging shoe organizers make excellent vertical gardens. They are perfect for small spaces and can hold a variety of plants, creating a lush green wall. Mason jars and glass bottles can be charming indoor planters. They are great for small plants and herbs, adding a rustic touch to your home decor. Add pebbles for drainage, fill with soil, and plant. This simple process ensures your plants have the best environment to thrive. Have fun and let your creativity run wild. Upcycling is all about experimenting and finding new uses for old items. Your garden will thank you for it. Let's talk about good soil. Homemade compost is like magic. Use a plastic storage bin with a lid. Drill holes for airflow. Elevate the bin on bricks. Layer brown materials, leaves, newspaper, and green materials, kitchen scraps. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods. Keep the compost moist and turn it weekly. Watch your scraps transform into nutrient-rich compost. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 DIY projects for a thriving garden. Use creativity to maximize your space. Roll up your sleeves, gather materials, and get your hands dirty. Share your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more small space gardening ideas. Let's grow together.